Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Leo and we will learn Korean together. Don't worry if you're starting out, if you're struggling, I will make it as easy as possible. So if you're learning Korean, subscribe to this channel, then you will become a Simba as well. And don't worry, I don't waste your time. Let's get into the video. This video is part 2 of learning Hangul and today's consonant is Nian. But before we go on, we will do a recap of part 1. Part 1 we did this one. Remember? Hyok. The stroke order is like this. Ju, ju. And then we put it together with the vowel for this one. And now we have ka. Ka. Example. Ka. Sa is lyrics. So, ka, sa. Okay, that's it for revision. Let's go on to today's consonant, Nian. So, the romanization for Nian is N. So you're asking right now, why D? I thought Nian is N. But the thing is, we have the tongue position of D, but we pronounce Nian. Now you're like, what? Please don't confuse me. I will make it as easy as possible for you guys, okay? So forget all of this. Forget romanization. Just repeat after me. Da. Just this one. Da. Da. Now remember the tongue position. It's right behind the teeth. Da. Da. Now say the same thing with N, same tongue position, just pronounce N, na, na. And there you have it, now you have this one. This right now is Nian, tongue position of D, but you pronounce N. Da, da, na, na. Okay, let's practice some words with Nian. The first one is na. Na means me. Next word is nabi. Do you know what nabi means? Yes, you're right. Butterfly. Okay. Next word is boy or man. So, let's practice these words. Na, na, nabi, nabi, and namja, namja. Do you remember the word from yesterday or from part 1? I don't know if you watched it yesterday. It was hyok. Let's write this word with hyok. So now it is 감자. What means 감자? I think it was potato. Wow, I know, I'm a genius. So we have here 남자 and here we have 감자. Let's practice these words. 남자, 남자, and 감자. 감자. Okay friends, that's it for today's episode. Please write into the comments if you have any questions and write also in the comments if you understood tongue position of D and pronouncing N, na. Please write in the comments, yes I understood it, no it is so hard for me, everything is okay, I will read all comments. So I will upload videos on Wednesday and on Sunday, so subscribe to this channel if you are learning Korean. Let's have fun together, let's learn together. Let's be friends, let's be family. People on TikTok already know I call my family Simbas.